Hello everyone, I am Yakub, lecturer in commerce. In this video, I am going to explain capital market and its types and its functions. First of all, we have to know what is capital market. The capital market is a marketplace focusing on long-term loans. It provides the financial industry with fixed and working liquidity and investments. Long term and medium term borrowings of the state, local, and central governments. Therefore, the capital market deals in ordinary stocks like debentures of corporations, shares, securities, and bonds of government. Moreover, the funds flowing into the capital market come from people having money to invest. The commercial banks, merchant banks, non bank financial agents like finance houses, building societies, insurance companies, venture capital, leasing finance, mutual funds, investment trusts. Thus, the capital market consists of complex of institutions and mechanisms through which long-term funds and medium-term funds combine and made available to business, government, and individuals. Now, let me explain types of capital markets. There are two main types of capital markets, the primary market and the secondary market. The primary market is the most important one of the capital markets. It sometimes referred to as a new issue market. Thus, it solely deals with the issue of new securities, such as securities, the forex trading investors get the first time. However, the main objective of the primary market is the capital development for states, institutions, firms. It helps investors invest their extra funds and savings in companies looking to expand their firms or corporations starting new projects. Also, primary markets are known as initial public offering. It helps in underwriting groups and investment banks to set the initial price range for offered security when those securities are sold directly to people. However, the primary markets are with investors, individuals get a chance to take part in your brand new safes. The second type is the secondary market. This is commonly known as the stock exchange or stock market. On the secondary market, the securities like debentures, bonds, bills, shares are sold and bought by the investors. The main difference between secondary market and the primary market appears in the primary market. Only new securities get issued, while in the secondary market the trading appears for existing securities. Therefore, no further issue in the secondary market gets to perform. The securities traded in a highly legalized and regularized market within regulations and strict rules. Therefore, it ensures that the investors can invest without the fear scammers. The secondary market exists where forex trading and the trading of securities take place within different exchanges. Besides, it also traded daily, meanwhile trading days and time specified by exchanges. Though primary markets mention increased volatility in secondary markets due to it is hard forecasting from investors upon securities. Several types of secondary markets are there. A person, investor, or a firm can purchase or trade securities from one person to another. There are so many secondary markets like stock market, commodity markets, bond markets, third market, fourth market, derivative markets, over the counter markets, and money markets. Now, let me explain all about the functions of primary market. Primary market includes origination, underwriting, distribution. Let us have a look at the features of capital market. What is origination? Origination indicates to examine, to evaluate, and to process new project proposals in the primary market. Before an issue is present in the market, it occurs. With the help of financial bankers, it gets done. The merchant bankers might be banks, private investments, firms, financial institutions. The preliminary investigation in the primary market includes a precise study of budgetary, financial, lawful, industrial aspects to make sure the soundness of the project. Other function is underwriting. To ensure the success of a new item in the primary market, there is a need for underwriting firms. The functions of the capital market also force the firm to employ underwriters. They can be financial institutions, banks, or specialized underwriting firms. A group of underwriters or even a single underwriter is enough for underwriting in the primary market. Underwriters guaranteed minimum subscription. There will be no liability left for underwriters when the issue gets wholly subscribed. In any case, if by chance any part of the issue remains unsold, then the underwriters have to buy all the unsubscribed shares as they don't have any option. Last one is distribution. In the functions of financial markets or primary market, the success of any brand new issue is the pivot on the item getting subscribed by the people. Brokers and dealers still give job distribution. The brokers are agents to direct contact with the supreme investors. The capital market plays a vital role in enlisting resources and diverting them into productive channels. It facilitates and helps the procedure of economic growth in the country. Functions of the capital market including linking between savers and investors. There are some key performance indicators we can consider. That is, mobilization of funds to finance long term investments is one of the critical functions of the capital market. Facilitates forex trading or security trading is another point that covers the functions of capital market. Other than that, the minimization of transactions and information cost seems to consider. A massive range of ownership of productive assets is encouraged more. Financial instruments such as shares and debentures have quick valuation. The functions of the capital market includes offering insurance against market or price threat, though imitative trading. In the function of the capital market, the facilitation of transaction settlement as per the defined time schedules also included. Besides, the effectiveness of capital allocation improvement with the help of the competitive price mechanism is also a part. These are the functions of the secondary market. Services of the secondary market are: it provides regular information about the value of security. The secondary market offers liquidity to investors for their assets. It helps to observe the bonds prices and their interest rates. Functions of the secondary market also include bringing together lots of interested parties. It helps in keeping the transactions at low cost. We can consider some basic functions of the secondary market, that is continuous and active trading. In secondary market, active trading gets maintained so that the investors can buy or sell instantly at a price that deviates little from transaction to transaction. Second one is providing a marketplacing. A marketplace offered by a stock exchange for buying or selling securities in the secondary market. Other one is providing liquidity. An organized stock exchange provided to investors to liquidate their holdings. It means that the securities can sell anytime in stock exchanges. You understood the functions of capital market. Thank you for watching.